How to remove your browser is managed by your organization message on your Google Chrome. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can remove your browser is managed by your organization message on your Google Chrome. So let's get started. There are few steps that you want to take. These are the steps. So first what you'll do is you'll copy this and paste it in our Google Chrome. So this will show us our policies. So just hit enter and here you will be able to see all of your policies. And after you see those policies, you will need to go to this link right here. And let's just do that. Again, paste it here. So here you will need to search for manage UI. As you can see right here, show manage UI. Now we can look for it by using control F. So just copy this, hit control F and paste it here. And after you see that there is no manage UI, if you find it, what you'll need to do is disable it. If you don't find it, you will need to go to regedit. So since we didn't find it, we'll go to regedit. So just search for registry editor. Now after you search for it, you can simply paste this link on top of registry editor. So let's do that. It should be around here. So go to first your Edge key current user. So after you find the Google Chrome here, you should be able to find Google Chrome right here. If you don't find it, you might be able to find Google Chrome someplace else, like here. As you can see, now here you should be able to find file that says incognito mode something. You will simply need to delete that. You can completely delete this Chrome folder completely here. Just right click and delete and your problem should get fixed, and you should not have that message that says that your browser is controlled by your organization anymore. And that is basically it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. That is all. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.